my god, my hair is green. Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel and what can I say? This is obviously gonna be a hair video. As you can see, I've changed my hair. It was pink one video ago and now it's green and turquoise and blue. I tried to do kind of like a pastel mermaid theme. And oh my gosh, I have nails that match my new hair. Look at this! Oh my gosh, they're mermaid nails! Ah! By the way, if you were wondering, they are not my real nails, they are stick-ons. I have like super short nails for obvious reasons. If you know me and you watch my channel. I'm sorry, it's getting inappropriate. Anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this hair. It's very easy, very simple, it just takes forever. So if you're gonna do this to your hair, do it like when you have free time as well, because I actually missed my appointment because I thought it was gonna be quick, but it took me 2 hours. And when it was time for me to leave the house, I still had like half of my hair blonde and the other half green. And I was like, what am I gonna do? I cannot live like this with like hair dye on my hair. And then I missed my appointment. Anyway, before we carry on, I'm feeling like a diva drag queen with this super curly hair like this. I'm sorry, I can't stop doing this. As I was saying, please subscribe because I post new, fresh videos 3 times a week. Sometimes I even post 4 videos a week because I do lives on the weekends. I try. Activate your notifications because we're gonna have some amazing videos really soon. There will be more music videos and all that jazz. Also give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. You're gonna need Lagoon Blue by Directions, which you're gonna mix with any white conditioner to make it more pastel. I know it looks purple right now, but I promise you it's blue. And you need Apple Green, also by Directions, which you'll mix with conditioner as well. The more conditioner you add, the lighter the color will be. But be careful because if your hair is not too light and you make the dye too pastel, it won't fully cover your hair and you end up with a weird color. And finally, I'll also be using Turquoise by Directions again. And guess what I will be mixing with it? Yes, conditioner again. To make it nice and pastel, but you don't have to do exactly the same shade as me. You can make it a bit darker if you prefer. You also need gloves, hair clips, a toilet roll because it's gonna get messy, and some hair dyeing brushes. So this is me blonde. Not a very good look, but your hair has to be very light blonde for you to dye pastel colors because otherwise the colors won't show because we're using semi-permanent hair dye. As you can see, I've tested the colors before to see if my hair was light enough for them. Oh my god, look at that green! I think it's very important to test the colors before you start. Then I will brush my hair to make sure there aren't any knots because they can make your hair get a bit stained. Then with the end of the hair dyeing brush, I will part my hair in 4 different sections, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. And I will clip the ones I'm not dyeing right now away so they don't get in the way. And I forgot to do that, but please put some conditioner on your forehead, ears and neck so you don't stain your skin with the hair dye. So I'll start with the green because it's the color I want at the top of my head, and I'll apply it to a small strand of hair from the first section. I'll dye it green up until my cheekbones and I'll apply it to the roots with a hair dyeing brush. Then I'll flip it and you can see it's still blonde on the other side, so it's important to remember to apply the hair dye on both sides. Then I'll wipe my hands not to mix any colors together and I'll go in with the turquoise, blending it in with the green. It's important to do this movement to create this ombre effect because we don't want any harsh lines in between colors. Can you see both colors are nicely blended in together? Then I'll wipe my hands again and I'll apply the blue dye to the ends.
It might look kind of purple right now, but any purple tones will be cancelled by the yellow tones in my hair and it'll look blue. I'm doing the same movement to blend in the colors together. And whoa, look how pretty that looks! Then I'm gonna clip it away and do the same thing to the rest of the section. Exactly the same process, same thing, it's very easy. And once that section is done, I'm gonna clip the whole thing away and do again exactly the same thing to the other 3 sections. If you're doing this on your own, it really helps to have one mirror in front of you and one mirror behind you so you can see the back of your head. And once you are done, you just have to wait around 30 minutes and then you can wash it, dry it, and voila!
So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what is your hair color right now. I'm really curious to know how my subscribers look like and what hair colors they have, even if it's not like bright colors, I don't care. I want to know your hair color. Please go watch some more videos. I have so many hair tutorials on this channel because I change my hair color like every month. I have lots of other types of videos and music videos and stuff. I'm gonna put 2 of them somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much for watching and have a very, very lovely day. Mwah!